Hey guys, welcome to our channel Explore with My Eyes. So this is our third day at Munnar and we are going to Ambadel Resort. Stay tuned guys, stay with us and watch this journey, watch this full video, and this hotel is going to be a good one. So just watch this review, and this is one of the best resort in Munnar as per the review. So you can just enjoy this video and give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Hey guys, this is our next resort, Ambadel. So that is another 5-star property, and it's around 3 o'clock. So we'll be reaching there in next 1 minute. The road is very stiff and very dangerous. So I'm having difficulty with this car. I mean, it's a sedan. So yep. Okay, let's see how the hotel is. The road is very steep and rough, so expecting this will be a good experience with this hotel. So we are almost reaching there. It's around 200 meter. So this is our hotel, Ambadel, and we have reached. Thank you. We'll sit. Yeah. So this is Ambadel reception, and it looks pretty neat and clean, and this is nice. The hotel looks nice. That side, I think that's the restaurant, and the view from the restaurant is really good.
Technical type, sir.
7:30. Okay.
Sir, please.
How many floors are there?
We have total 6 floor.
6 floors.
Yeah,
Okay.
third floor boardroom and open terrace. Second one room only. Ground floor reception restaurant. 4 conference hall irrigation area. 5 spa and healthy club, sir. Spa time 9 to 9. 6 only for rooms, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 top side, 4, 5, 6 down side, sir. It's like center way
Level.
First activity.
Indoors activity.
Indoor
Okay.
activity. First one, Arana in sunrise cafe on there, so third floor. 6:10 to sunrise time. That time flyovers of tea available, and cycling. You can get the cycle reservation
Okay.
side. And trekking we have 8 to 9. We have one guide, sir.
Oh,
You'll
for
come-
trekking, right?
Yeah, so we have one guide. He'll come medical reservation.
Okay.
He'll take you here. A small bonus are there.
Oh,
Yeah. And
how, that is how much?
and 2 kilometers, 1.5 or 2 kilometers. Sir.
Okay.
By soft trekking, by walk, sir.
Okay.
And next one, Tattukada, sir. Tattukada means tea shop. This is our spa, sir.
This is the spa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spa time 9 to 9.
9 to 9. Okay.
Yeah. And Tattukada means tea shops are there.
Tea shop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some snacks and tea available. And cooking now means cooking bus are there, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, chef is there. He'll As usual. And campfire 8 to 9, sir. On third floor.
Okay.
8 to 9, sir.
The Amberdale is a part of Ananta resort or?
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is Amberdale premium room. I'll give you a short room tour. So this is the entry, luggage counter, and this is the restroom. That's the restroom. And that's the shower area. Small cupboard. I mean safety box. This is a mini bar. That's empty. Tea. And that's the bed. TV unit. Work desk. Sitting area, sofa, and the most important thing, the balcony. That's the balcony, and that's the view. See that awesome view, see the super valley. And that's the sitting area, balcony. The entire valley can be visible, Munnar. I mean, that's so outstanding view here. This is Amberdale, and that's our room, that's our stay tonight. Enjoying this mind-boggling view. Hey guys, this is around 4:30 and Munnar, and the room is good. The weather is now cool. It's really cool today. This is the resort. This is the front side. Hey guys, this is the parking area. From the parking area, this is the view of Amberdale Resort. It's little bit of a cloudy, but the view is really good. Just awesome tea garden outside and mountains and mountains. There's so many mountains. I never saw this much mountains all together. So it's going good. We are enjoying a lot. We are exploring Amberdale Resort. This resort looks really good. They have nice view. Oh my god. That's the gym, I think, from the outside. This is the view from the restaurant. The restaurant looks really good. Hey guys, look at this. Such an awesome view here. It's stones, I mean mountains, and it's full green just because it's raining here and so much rain here. But today, so we enjoyed a lot. But look at this. There's a cloud over there, and the cloud is coming to this resort, and it's just an awesome view. And look at this side. This is that south side, and you can see that the Munnar city on right side, and there is a lake. Oh my god, today is really good, and we are enjoying a lot in this clouds and mist. It's really cold here. I think it's 16 degree, but look at this view. Hey guys, this is our dinner tonight. This is the restaurant. We'll show you what is available. I think here all the slats, they didn't bring it yet. And fish thaw, there is a fish item. Chicken tikka masala, veg pulao, mushroom potatoes and noodles, plain rice, butter dal fry, malai kofta. There is some item for paneer, I can't read that. 5 spice, Lebanese potatoes, khichdi, curry poo, some items, sweets I think. Curd, raita. Hey guys, we just finished our dinner. It's a buffet dinner, and everywhere it's cloudy outside and it's too cold. The floor construction is little different, so we are going downstairs. Down. That's fifth floor, but that's actually down just because it's a mountains and all the floors are like up and down. So the ground level is where actually we park the road, but apart from that, the building construction is like some floors are down and some floors are up. So mostly it's down. So this is our floor. We are in 507. All over the clouds, and that's the right side. You can see that's the Munnar city, and there are many resorts, so we can get this lightings from these resorts. Hello guys, good morning from Munnar. It's around 7:30 and such a pleasant weather. It's a bit of a cloudy but not raining at all. Looks like the sky will going to be clean after some times, and it's super cold here. Hey guys, we come for the breakfast and let's see what is the available menu for the breakfast. Cheese, curds, salads, sandwich, fruits, chutneys, sambar, vada, idli, idli appam, chana masala, bhatura, upma, paratha, pasam. This is I think local dish. Pancake and boiled eggs. This is chicken sauces. Breads, fruit juice, detox water, and flex. This is our breakfast table. So many items, and it's coming up. This is the common restroom just into that restaurant. This is pretty nice. The concept is really good. The way they decorate it. Hello guys. So it's 9:40 and we are going to check out now. So I'll give you some brief of this resort. This hotel. It's a 5-star property, and you can see the view from this premium room. That's the premium room or stay. We have given the room tour, and yeah, so the view is really awesome, and we enjoyed a lot in this hotel. And you can look at this cloud and suns just playing around. So we are so happy with this journey, and the resort is really good. And in this resort there are two guys on the kitchen. That's Prashant and Raju, I think. Yeah, so they helped a lot, so kudos for those two guys. And yeah, hotel is neat and clean, and view is really outstanding. And breakfast was good. Lunch, we had a lunch, so that was good. So I'll talk about some tariff. So one night stay with this premium room, this takes 10,470 rupees from Make My Trip. I think that's worth. Yep, really worth, just because the room is really good, view was really good, the food was good. The hospitality is really awesome, understanding this room. I can definitely recommend this room. Recommend this hotel for our Munnar trip, any Munnar trip if you are staying Munnar. Yep, so stay tuned guys, subscribe our channel. So next day we have another booking in Munnar, so tonight also we will be staying in Munnar. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.